Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I have another Misfits unboxing for you. Finally, guys, finally, I got to choose what goes into my box. I put the alert on my phone. I have to go on Thursdays at 4 o'clock Eastern time and make my selection. I put it on. I went out there and bam, finally it was there. Usually it's just where I can pick up extra stuff to put in my box, but this time they let me choose the stuff that I wanted, and I'll show you guys what I chose. They just give you a list of things to choose from, and then I guess they give you some of the things from that list. You don't get everything on that list because it's based on the weight of the box, and the box feels heavy. I think I may have ordered something additional this week. I can't remember, but I'll put a picture of it in here if I did, to show you guys the price of it, because I did take some shots of what I selected, and if I ordered something, I think I might have ordered one thing. Don't remember what it was, but anyway, this isn't sponsored, but I just like the service. So again, Misfits has two different boxes. I got the $22 box. It's called the Mischief. It is, order down this time, it's between 10 and 13 pounds, and then there is a $35 box, which is the Madness box, and that one is between 18 and 22 pounds. You can get it weekly or bi-weekly. I get my box bi-weekly. Also, you can put it on hold anytime you want. I leave the code here if you guys want to try it. If you try it for the first time, you get 25% off if you use my code, and then I get 25% off my box. So if anybody has used my code, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope that you're enjoying your box. And I think now that the world is opening back up, as they say, the selections are getting much better than what they were during the quarantine time, because it wasn't that good. And the boxes was taking long, and the vegetables good. So last week my vegetables looked pretty decent, and I didn't have any complaints. I think my lettuce had a little bit of brown on it down at the bottom, but it's like, you know, lettuce, if it's rubbed, any kind of vegetable rubbed up against it, it turns brown. So let me quit my chit-chatting, because I can run my mouth. Let me get my scissors. Go ahead, open up this box, and let's change my camera view so you guys can see what I got. So stay tuned. Alright guys, let's see what we got. Let me get that other sticker off. Alright, let's see what we got this week. Oh, still got ice. Now, I got this hours ago. I got this morning, but I wanted to go out in my garden first. So I wanted to go out in my garden first, so I didn't mess with it. But let's see what we got. I got some strawberries. I think this is what I ordered. I think I ordered some strawberries, because I keep wanting to make a strawberry cake, and I keep buying strawberries, and I don't make the strawberry cake. I eat some of them, and then I let a few of them go bad. But this time I want to make a strawberry cake. Comment below and let me know if you guys want to see a strawberry cake. Now, like, they done sent me all these different type of lettuce. So I ordered lettuce. I picked several different kinds, and then I guess they done sent me all of them. Maybe you do get everything you pick. Okay, I got some green leaf lettuce. This one looks decent. That's where it's been broken and it turns brown. But the leaves look very good. I got some of this live lettuce. I buy this from the grocery store. It's high, but I buy it from the grocery store because it lasts so much longer. And I put it in it. It comes in this little plastic thing, and I put a little bit of water at the bottom. And every time I see it needs some more water, I add a little bit more water, and it stays fresh forever. I probably can go plant this in my garden and then just pull off what I need and won't go bad. Oh yeah, they done gave me everything I freaking asked for. That's strange. I didn't think they would give you that much, but I guess so. They gave me some romaine lettuce. That is green leaf lettuce, and this is romaine lettuce. Just a little bit beat up. It ain't too bad. Just the outer leaves. The inner leaves look pretty decent. I have to eat this fast, so I'll probably make a salad with that. I got an eggplant. I'm growing eggplant in my garden, but I ordered one because I love eggplant and I wanted different stuff than what I normally get. So that's what I did. So I made eggplant. They sent me 3 zucchini. Woo-woo. Now that's good because I love me some zucchini. So I got 3 of them. I'm growing these in my garden too. And they were the first thing that started growing. And I have 4 that's getting big. They're not this size, of course, but they're about this long. So I'm excited about that. And I just put my eggplant in the ground from the seeds they sprouted. And put them in that ground today. Oh no, that's 4. I thought that was a cucumber. So that's a little bit bruised, but that's okay. So I got 4 zucchini. I got a little small head of red cabbage. I love cabbage. That feel like cabbage too under there. Oh, it is. So I can make some type of sauce, and this is a good box. Oh, I'm loving being able to pick what I want. So I got 2 small heads of cabbage, and I can cut these up, make some slaw if I want some slaw, or I can just make green and purple cabbage sauteed, which I love cabbage. I didn't think I asked for peaches because peaches, that one's bruised real bad, so I gotta eat that one. But I don't like peaches too much because the fur breaks my lips out, so I always usually buy nectarines. So I ordered nectarines too, but I didn't think I ordered peaches just because they break my lips out. But I'm gonna eat them. I probably peel them and eat them, but I'm gonna have to eat that one today. I might wash it and eat it on my way to the store because I gotta go to the store. So I got 2 nectarines, 2 peaches, and plums. I freaking love plums. We had a plum tree growing up in my grandma's yard. So I got 5 plums. They feel alright. This one is a little soft, so it's ready to eat. And the rest of them are hard, so I like them, actually kind of hard instead of kind of soft. I like them to be tart. I'm crazy, I know, but I like tart stuff better than sweet stuff and fruit. And I like my stuff firm. And they gave me 5 little potatoes. I'm going to actually take 2 of these because I'm going to plant potatoes in my garden. So I'm going to take 2 of these and let them sprout so that I can grow them in my garden. I don't even know what kind they are, but I'm going to grow them anyway. I got 2 red ones, and I'm going to do 2 of these, and I'm going to do 2 sweet potatoes and see how much potatoes I get. So, and I'm going to do them in containers. That's all I got, 5 potatoes. So I didn't get a lot of stuff, nothing that I didn't want because I got to pick my own stuff, which is freaking amazing. But yeah, that is it. That is a perfect picture. Once I move this up. Got green leafy lettuce, romaine lettuce. This is bib lettuce. I believe that's what you call it. With the roots. So the bib lettuce. I got purple cabbage, green cabbage, 1 eggplant, 4 zucchini, 2 peaches, 2 nectarines, 5 little small, I call these new potatoes, 5 plums, and some strawberries that I ordered that need to be eaten kind of fast because they are good and ripe. They dark, so they probably good and sweet. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I'll leave the code linked here below in case you want to try it. Not sure how fast it takes them to let you select whatever you want. I've been getting this for 2 months, but with Corona, we can't say, you know, it's going to take 2 months for them to allow you to select whatever you want. I think based on Corona, you could not because the food was limited. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye. And off we go.